So we are going to change account location in Roblox. So first you need to open the Roblox and you can see more options tab, click it, and you can go to system tab, click system settings as. So in this account information is the click account information. Yes, in this you can see scroll down and you can see the account location is there. Yes, it's currently the account location is wrong, so I need to interchange this account location. So if it's optional type you can change it, but if it's not optional type you need to not change by list. So you need to go another method. So go back and in this you can see more option is there, click it, and you need to go to helps and safety is there. Yes, this one, click it, and in this help is there, click this help. Yes, this one, click it, and it's go to uh, website. In this you need to click the Roblox account is there. Yes, click the Roblox account, and once you click it you need to search. Yes, search for locations, and the account setting account location is there, click that one. Yes, this one, click it, and once you click it and scroll down and you can see the need more help. Yes, that one. Yes, click it, and after clicking it will this pop-up menu will appear. You need to enter your correct date of birth, month, date, and year. Once you completed, you will go to inside, and in this you need to give your information like username, first name, email address, confirm email address. Yes, this is optional, not optional. You need to give. After giving, you need to give the type of which type of device, a PC, Mac, or iPhone, iPad, or which type of device. Then you need to click how to. Yes, category, and in this you can see how to change my location is that. Yes, click it, and in this you need to give the description. You can give the description.